here's our stuffing here. What do we have in here?
We've got ground beef, I think.
Yep.
Cinnamon and pear.
And also white onions.
Wait.
And we might add maple syrup. I haven't decided yet. We'll see how it smells once we mixed it. Charlie, what are you doing?
I'm cutting the pear into little bits.
And JJ, what are you doing? Okay.
So we just put some maple syrup in it, and now we are mixing everything up with our hands.
Best way to go, right?
Yep. Messy is the best way.
Give it a good sniff and see if it needs anything.
Maple syrup.
It needs more maple syrup?
Yes, more maple syrup. Definitely. More maple syrup. Definitely.
Okay, but if our lunch is too sweet, it's gonna be your fault.
Okay.
Okay, Charlie.
So, we just cut up a bunch of, we put the meat, we stuffed it into the squash. So it's hopefully gonna be delicious. This is it.
So originally we packed the meat onto this tray, but then I thought, oh, we may as well just stuff the peppers all the way through. So they stuffed all of the meat onto the surfaces of all the cut peppers. Not peppers, squash.
I said peppers.
But we're still doing them upside down because the squash is going to take a while to bake and the meat not so much, and we want to get that meat flavor soaked into the squash as much as possible.